Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. I just want to give you an update. My last video is about the No Paper Left Behind challenge, and I just wanted to give you an update. Remember, I was wanting to use the Here and There collection by Cray Paper. So if any of you guys don't know what No Paper Left Behind means, is for the entire month, go ahead and identify at the start of the month what paper you will be using, and then do all the projects or do whatever projects you think will make you use the entire paper sheet. So I just want to give you an update. It is week 2 of October, and October 14th right now for me. I want to give you an update on what I have so far. So I made a mini album right here. I haven't decorated this part just yet, but this is what it looks like. So let's see. This is a mini album that is 7.5 by 5.5, and then the thickness of this album is 3 inches. So let me open it for you and see what we have. So I just used cardstock and I wrapped it with a paper, and then these are pockets, and then I put some inside these pockets, and then you can put a photo inside, or you can put a photo here and then journal in there. And then I used the stickers as well right here, so you can put a photo here, some more. So every single page has a pocket inside it. Okay, so this one has something inside it as well, I think. No, I don't think there isn't any. I think I was going to put this one, but I'm not done with it yet. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. And then this one is another one. And then, so that's a pocket right there. When you open it up, I just made this and layered it up, and then another photo, and then a journaling spot right there. Photo, lots of opportunities. And then this one, this is what this has inside this particular pocket. I just made this paper clip using the papers, and then you're gonna notice this small one is inside this. So when you're done, you're gonna put it inside there, and then I just put a belly band to close it up right there. So when you travel, you know, that's an additional page, and then these are more pages for photos and things, and more photos and more memorabilia. So I think I'm going to close this up, staple that, so you can put more things inside here. But that's that. So that's what it has without the belly band. And then just putting the belly band, super easy, just to protect it, and tuck it neatly away, just like that. And then you put it back inside its pocket. So I used a lot of paper by making these mini albums. So you can tuck it all in there. And then you can put it all inside. I'm just not doing a very good job at it right now. But it fits right there perfectly. And then here is another photo opportunity. And then this is a flip. And then this is a simple paper clip using scraps that I added in there. So that's one project. And then here's a traveler's notebook. So this is like, I laminated it. This is 9 inches in height, and the entire paper from here to here is 10 inches. So I laminated it and put holes in it, and then I used these. So I'm gonna decorate it, but I just wanted to show you that this thing has 3 traveler's notebooks in them, using all the papers from that here in their collection. So this, and this. And then so I was able to use a lot of paper, which really helps with the project. Use a lot of paper, and then close it up like that. I haven't decorated it yet. I just wanted to get the major pieces out. And then let me show you what I have left. So this is the cover. I also made this scrapbook page. So I was thinking of just putting a photo right here, put some journaling here, and call it done. So that's that. And then this one is also some more pages to use. I don't have a lot of it left. The sticker pack, some more scraps. This one, this. So not a lot of paper left because I still have 2 weeks to go. Okay, so this one I can easily, and then this is the back part of it. So that is what's left. And I made this one like a book out of scraps. I was thinking of stapling it here. So I'm going to staple it right here and then insert it in the book. And then also this is what I have left. So I'm going to make an embellishment book and go from there. So I have all these stuff that I cut apart. So I'm going to make an embellishment book and add it some of these. Remember the things that I fussy cut? So I'm going to make these into embellishments, handmade embellishments that I'm going to put in the embellishment book. And then I made this book right here, like a matchbox. There, I'm going to put it in the mini album. Some more papers right here that's left over. So yes, I need to think about that in the next 2 weeks. Let's see what we can use in all this. Make an embellishment book, finish the traveler's notebook. But that's what I have so far for 2 weeks in the No Paper Left Behind challenge. I hope that that inspired you to use your 12x12 or any of your paper pads that you have in your stash. If you have any questions, let me know. And again, this is Christian signing off from Christian's Crafty Adventures. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Like and subscribe. Have a crafty day. Bye, guys.